Automation is the way forward. Let's see how automation can streamline warehouse processes. Instead of manually sorting, handling, or packing, let's look at how automation can help. Automation can encompass various tasks such as inventory tracking, order picking and packing, material handling, sorting, transportation, and data management. Robotic arms enhance productivity, capable of handling various products with utmost precision, reducing the time spent on manual picking tasks. Conveyor belt can help to transport the goods to the right location in the warehouse. Scanning of barcodes instead of manual entry of the movement of goods is preferred. The data can then be fed to the computerized system, where the operator can monitor the logistical movement of the goods across the warehouses. Real-time data tracking helps managers monitor inventory levels and system performance seamlessly, ensuring a constant flow of goods and minimal downtime,